Good day everyone, we're back with another video. This time, we are using Cisco Packet Tracer to solve a networking challenge. Now for the scenario requirements. A small company has two departments. Our goal here is to put the IT department on VLAN 10 and the accounting department on VLAN 20. Our network design has two switches, one router, and 4 computers. We will then assign the IP range to 192.168.10.1 to 9 in our IT department, and IP range of 192.168.20.1 to 19 in our accounting department. It's important to remember the network design, as this is very important for our creation of topology. Okay, now let's build our network. I want you to focus on the bottom left of the screen. As you can see, there are multiple choices here. Click on the first one. It will show network devices. Click on routers, and we're just going to select the first one, 4331. Next is we need two switches. I'm going to select the first one lang din. You can hold control key to add multiples. And we need 4 computers. We can select the second one and devices. And hold control key. Click on PC. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to connect this. For the PC to switch, we're going to use straight through. Gonna hold control, PC port 0 to switch 1, PC port 0 to 2, repeat the same with the other one. 1, 2. Now, we're going to connect the switches. We're going to use crossover for that. Port 3, port 3. Then, we're going to connect the main switch to our router. Port 4 to gigabit port 0. After that, we're going to design it a little bit so it's easy to understand. Let's make the IT department color green, and for the accounting, yellow. Then click on place note and IT department VLAN 10 and accounting department VLAN 20. The next step is to configure our switches. Let's start with the switch connected to the IT department. Click on it. Go to CLI. Now, Sir Louis has provided instructions for us to follow. With the help of Gino, we created a instructions on our own too. So we just added some coloring. Okay, let's configure now. Let's start. Enter, enable, configure terminal. We're going to create VLAN 10, name IT, VLAN 20, exit, VLAN 20, name accounting. We can verify this by going to config, VLAN database, and as you can see here, there are VLAN number 10 and 20 with their appropriate name. Okay, enter. Interface range, fast Ethernet port 1 to 2, forgot 0. If range, switch port, mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, exit. Interface range, fast port 03 to 4, switch mode truncate. Switch port 3 to 4 is this one. If we could hover it, no. Options, preference, show, always show port labels, and click. As you see, 3 to 4, 3, and port 4. Let's go back on our CLI. After we truncate it, change up the top. We're going to do it on accounting on the other switch. Click on it, CLI, enter, enable config terminal, VLAN 10, name IT. Whoa. Enter name IT, exit VLAN 20, name accounting. We're going to verify it. VLAN database 10 IT 20 accounting, that's good. And enter. Config interface range, we are on config. Interface range port 012, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Interface range FA03 to 4, switch port mode trunk. Now we should see it's orange. Okay, next one is to configure our router. Click on the router, CLI. It will tell you, would you like to take initial configuration? Let's say no. The configuration dialog is for setting up password, hostname on the router. It's just for security stuff too, but we're not going to do that. No. Please return to get started. Enter, enable config terminal, interface gigabit 0/0/0, no shutdown. Interface enter, exit. Interface 0/0/0.10. This is for the VLAN 10. Enter. Sub if encapsulation .1 Q10. Sub if IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255-0. 255 is subnet mask. Just to fun fact. Then config sub if, exit. Now we're going to do it for the VLAN 2. VLAN 20, interface G 0/0/0.20, enter, change state up to up, and sub if encapsulation dot 1q 20 IP address 192.168.20.1.255.255.255.0 IP DHCP pool IT network 192.168 10.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.10.1 DNS server 1.1.1.1 IP DHCP excluded address 192.168 10.1 192.168.10.9. Now it returns on config. We're gonna do it for our accounting IP DHCP pool accounting network 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0 default router 192.168.20.1 DNS server 1.1.1.1 IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.20.1 192.168.20.19 and enter. After doing this, we're going to click every PC, every computer. Click config the port and click on the DHCP. It should return 10. That's good. Going to do it on PC1 too. I will minimize this instructions by this point. Config the port, Ethernet port. It should says 11. That's good. We're going to go for accounting department. Config fast internet DHCP. It says 20. PC3 config DHCP 21. There we go, 21. Now we are ready for testing. Click on PC0 on command prompt, desktop command prompt, and we're going to ping this one, PC1. So ping 192.168.10.11 and it should be similar to this code 0 yeah, it's very similar. Next is connect ping from PC0 to from different VLAN PC2. So this is 192.168.20.20 ping 192.168.20.20 Oh wow, okay, there we go. Medyo na gano'n lang pero bumalik din and successful siya, but this is not still evident enough to para gawin tong all pings should be successful. This is what we're going to do. Reset the nakikita nyo po itong envelope na to. We're going to click it, hold control, and PC0 to PC1, PC1 to PC2, PC2 to PC3, and PC3 to PC0. Makikita nyo po dito yung ginawa natin. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 0. Now, click natin yung simulation and bilisan natin ng onti yung playback speed. Kung i-hover natin, it says speed slider. Kung play natin, check ito yung kailangan na basahin, yung status. It should says successful. There we go. From PC0 to PC1. PC2 to PC3 successful. And let's just wait and they're all both successful. And there you have it. We have successfully built and verified a router on a stick network. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.